Hey everyone, it's Tom here to do a review on this coffee table. So I'll unbox it, I'll install it, and if I notice anything in the installation, I'll slow the video down. But yeah, we'll get it installed and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so it comes with a screwdriver, but I'm gonna use my own tools. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to use the power drill just if you're going to. I know they suggest not to, but if you're going to, make sure it's on the lowest torque setting possible, okay? Okay, so with the doors, you do have two different call locks, the hinges for the windows. So you got the roller, that's going to go on the bottom, and then the lock to keep it in place is going to go on top. Okay, so as I said, you have the wheels on one side, and then you flip it on the other side. This, you push the button, and it'll lock in place up here. So keep it down, put the wheels in first, look for that button in the back, and then the other button, and there you go. Okay, so gave this a go. Extremely easy to put together. I bet my wife I couldn't get this done in less than an hour. Got it done in less than an hour. And I'm not going to lie, it looks great. I love the fact that you got two doors, two of these sliding doors on both sides. It just looks really nice. I really like it for a coffee table. It's, like I said, easy to use. Easy to install. And it looks great. So highly recommend. Get yours today. Don't hesitate. You won't regret it.